Hey guys, it's Evan with HPI Auto. Today we're going to be going over a 997.1 turbo with the camshaft position codes and what that means and what we do to fix that. So this car had a bank 2 camshaft position code. So these cars have the Vericam, and then there's a sleeve that is on the camshaft itself that's pressed on, and over time sometimes it can twist and cover up the oil passage and therefore the Vericam will not be able to actuate properly, and you'll start getting cam angle codes and stuff like that. So this car is here. We are going to be doing the pinning of the camshafts, and I will show you kind of a quick little visual of what that looks like. So as you see, in order to do this process, you have to remove the engine, you have to pull all the stuff off the front sides of the turbos, the coils, various amounts of lines, and then get the valve cover off to get to this section. And then it's only on the intake cam, so the exhaust cams don't have that, and there's no need to fix them. So usually we do just both the intake cams. So you remove those, remove the actuators and everything off there. And then once you have the camshafts out, so you have the bank 2 and the bank 1 cams. And what I was telling you about was this is the sleeve that is pressed on to the camshaft. And this line of holes right here is where the oil passes through. And I don't know if you can catch this on camera, but you can see through the hole right there. And that's how it's supposed to be, to see all the way through the camshaft. Now what happens is, this is bank 2, this sleeve shifts, and you can see now that hole is blocked because this sleeve has twisted on the camshaft. So in order to fix this, we have to put this into our jig, realign this sleeve, and then put a pin through here to keep this from shifting in the future, and it's a permanent fix after that. And even though it's only one side that's doing it, we always do both at the same time, because you're here, go ahead and get knocked out. And then of course replace bolts, seals, all that stuff while you're doing it. And then it's also a good time to kind of take care of the other issue on this car, which has already been done, so no big deal. But pinning of the coolant pipes, as you can see here, somebody's already gone through and went ahead and pinned these coolant pipes, so that's taken care of. We're also going to do the plugs, coils, and then also water pump while it's out, because it just saves, there's no more labor time there. So we'll get these camshafts pinned up, put everything back together. Big thing on these is timing. You have to have the correct timing tools, which we do have, that sets the cams as TDC, and each bank is timed separately. So you have to time this bank first, which is your 1 through 3, rotate it, and then time the bank 2, which is your 4 through 6. Set everything up, put it back together, plug it in, make sure the deviation, everything are right, working properly, and make sure the Vericam, everything's getting proper oil, and that's it. These engines are pretty bulletproof, but it does have these few little big items that need to be taken care of eventually at some point, and also help a resale value. The number one question I get asked when selling a 997 turbo is the coolant pipes pin or the cams pin. And if you say no, a lot of buyers shy away. If you've already done it and say yes, then it adds an extraordinary amount of value to the car and gives the buyer that confidence that the car is well taken care of and ready to go. All right, everybody, so thank you for watching the video. Hope it gave you a little bit of insight on this particular issue on these engines. Not a big deal. If you know what you're doing and have done it before, I definitely recommend a shop that has done this job in the past, because there are a lot of little things that need to be known beforehand and during. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to reach out, comment, email, phone call. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.